Hello, hello, hello. Day one of Wales backpacking with my brother. Second hour of our journey, but so far I could not spot any kind of gravel, but luckily they might change in a short while. Adam? Finally change of the trail onto something more suitable for our gravel bikes. Travel for gravel. Good choice. Yeah, baby. To jest taka kawiarnia, nie? Adam. Tam lunch zamówiłem na 14.
Gdzie ta kawiarnia?
No tu, lunch zamówiłem na 14, zaraz przy... Zaraz będzie domek na kurzej stopce. We are now in the middle of forest, looking for some visitor center. Get well-deserved food and drink, because we're starving.
No, chicken, come on.
That's a great nickname. Nice. Come on, legs. I don't know if it's visible. You can see that one. Avon Dam on Avon Reservoir, I guess. Just admire how huge that is. Thank you. Welcome to Wales. Tak to nigdy nie miałem. Check this out. You can hear it loud and clear. The hiss. Hands down for Komoot, navigating incredibly well over these overgrown bushes. But nevertheless, what a great adventure it is today. Not even rather. It wasn't too bad. We made it. So we got 11k to go. So far it's been a pleasant ride. We've done just over 90k and we're doing really good. We've had some pit stop for decent food and pretty average coffee, but the views are what we're here for. And final push for about 9k. That's a decent brambles. How's that for a treat? Nice. Should be up and running now. Plenty of nutritious food around. Small alteration. I think this is final push. So be it. Oh, all in all, over 2,000 meters